I'm Steph. I'm equipment operator here for KinsleyConstruction. I figured I'd wanted to be a police officer. The easiest way to do that was to go to the military and put that on my resume. So I enlisted in the Air National Guard. My job there is actually equipment operator, pavement and constructions. My knowledge and skills here helps me teach those at the Gap. I like when people underestimate me. Hate throwing the woman card out there, but as a woman, whenever I come out here and it's a bunch of grown men and prove to them that I can do it, it's kind of like a boost of self-confidence. They don't look at me as somebody that shouldn't be out here or isn't capable of being out here, which is great too. People see that when they first look at me, and then they see what I can do, and then their whole perspective changes.